One of the other things that LinkedIn has recently launched as well is the new Build Your Voice Hub. So, this is a new website that they've literally just launched. You can find it by Googling Build Your Voice Hub LinkedIn. And this is a centralized website packed with useful tools and guides, really for creators or anyone who's looking to be more active on LinkedIn, which definitely backs up the trend of employee generated content for next year. So, LinkedIn are giving more comprehensive guides to how to use video and other best practice playbooks. They've also got direct links to support and feedback here. There's a calendar highlighting trending moments. There's also a fresh LinkedIn content fundamentals course, which is a basic level course, but worth having a look at. And there's details on an upcoming LinkedIn creator event. So it looks like they're going to be definitely doing more to encourage people to really craft and elevate their voices on the platform next year. Here's a couple of screenshots from the course, the LinkedIn Fundamentals course, and it actually annotates a lot of examples of how to create the best LinkedIn newsletter, LinkedIn post. So some really, really nice insights there. And you can see that they've used a few different types and styles of post to really show off how you can make the most out of the platform. So, if you are thinking about building your voice or doing this for some of your colleagues next year, I would recommend going and checking out that free course and just skipping through and having a look at these kind of annotated PDFs within that because they are quite useful. There's a lot of stuff we already know, like tagging other companies, tagging other people really helps. Having an engaging title or kind of first line or hook to start off your post. And also including a lot of imagery can really help as well, especially if it's behind the scenes unique imagery that people might not have seen before.